In this video, we're going to show you how to make money with print-on-demand shirts and by piggybacking other people's ideas and multiple ideas. There's no easier way to make more money with print-on-demand than to take one idea and have multiple people wear it. In this example here, we're talking about Christmas shirts. Now, what if you're having a Christmas party and not just you wear the shirt, but you've got other people that are wearing shirts that are similar? Let's break it down. So let's say, for instance, I did a search for Christmas shirts online. This is what I found. Now, I specifically clicked on something like this here because I wanted to see. Here it says 60 quotes, most likely. Okay, this is a great idea because if you're having a Christmas party and people are wearing these type of shirts, this may be accustomed to certain people that are at the party. This could make for an interesting, funny thing, right? So you've got most likely to drink all the vodka, most likely to drink all the whiskey. So you've got different things here. Now, this isn't reinventing the wheel. There are other ones out there. If you go back, you'll find there are a few other ones that are similar. So if we go back, we can see that was one. There's one right here. There's one here. And I like this one because it just keeps it simple. Sometimes keeping it simple is the easiest way. Simplicity works really well. But you can see how these are simple ideas. Now, where did they get these ideas? Well, I did a quick search online and I said, all right, I searched for the Christmas most likely quotes. And the first thing that came up were these ads, and ironically, they're for Etsy. You can open up any one of these and see what's trending. So I opened up this one here, and this is what I got. Scroll down. These are ready to print files that are actually ready that you can use, but the whole point is I can use this for inspiration. I can turn around and go to Canva and essentially create my own designs. So let's go back and show you another one. These ones are a little bit harder to see. I think they're a little bit too busy myself. Let's go back and see one more. All right, and again, these are in the simplest forms, but again, you can take any one of these ideas now, and now you can go to Canva. We'll go to create a design. We'll go to custom size, and we're going to put 4,500 by 5,400 and click create new design. Now let's take one of these here and be creative about it and use a font that might be complementary. Let's just do this one here. Most likely to eat Santa's cookies. Let's click on text to the left here. Click on add a heading. We're going to make that bigger. And we're just going to put most likely. Let's actually capitalize this. Most likely to. And as far as fonts go, we can go right here and we can change it up however we want. And again, you're going to do it accordingly to what you're going to like, but there might be ones that stick out more, but remember, don't get too crazy with it. If this is your, the beginning stages of trying to put stuff together, keep it simple. In fact, you might even want to create a few designs, show them to a few people and see which one they like best. That's a great way to figure out what people really like. And you're collecting data. But you can see something like this is just too hard to see. Now, sometimes I'll put in something like holiday and see what pops up. So the word holiday does come up, but it's too hard to see, right? Holiday romance. This one isn't bad, but we want to just keep it simple. So let's go back. All right, so we're just going to use Anchorage Bold. And what we're going to do is make it a little bit bigger here. And we can add effects. We can create a shadow. We can change the color of the shadow. Let's just say, let's make it fun and make it green. Now we can take that down here. We can curve it out. And you can see here, just like this example, there's a little bit of curvature there, and there's a little bit actually in this one here as well. So what we want to do, and again, I'm just trying to keep it simple, we can go ahead and we can edit that, the curve, and you can see how you can widen it just a little bit more, most likely too, and I think I like that there. Let's duplicate that just to make it simple. We're going to take the effect off though. Let's take the effect off. We'll scroll down. We'll put none. And in this part here, we're just going to put eat Santa's cookies. Now, while I could use the same font, I'm not going to. I'm going to go here, and I want it to be a little bit more of a fancier look here. This might be too much. All right. So what we did was we added this one here. Very simple. Let's make sure that everything looks even where we want it. Now, if we want, we could still add an element to that. So if I wanted to say Christmas lights, let's bring this down. So I could easily take that idea now and I can duplicate that. And I can just change the wording here now. So instead of eat Santa's cookies, I may say something like be merry. I can change the size. So now I can take this, right? I can take this page here and I go to download. I'll click transparent background. I'll click on the one. We'll download it. I'll go to my Teepublic site. I'll upload the design. Click on the PNG part there. We'll click on that. And there it is there on the shirt. You want to fill out all this information here, your design title, your description, your main tag, supporting tag. But this is how easy it is to take a design from Etsy and go ahead and essentially put it on your Teepublic site. And then you just rinse and repeat. And then you'll go to things like here and say, okay, now I can put it on a pillow. Make sure that you edit it so it looks okay on it. So be sure to subscribe for more videos like this if you enjoy this type of content, and we'll see you in the next one.